Standard 10, Subject History and Political Science, Chapter 3, Applied History. Dear student, in this chapter we will study about applied history. Applied history is also known as public history. Applied history is a field of study concerned with the application of history for the benefit of people in the contemporary and future times. Public history helps to overcome such misgivings and makes history meaningful in everyday life, connecting people to history. Knowledge of history is useful as it can provide guidance in finding solutions to contemporary social issues and incorporate them in the social planning. Knowledge of history is essential for these purposes. The directions of future development in every field is dependent on the state of available knowledge. The method of history can prove to be of value in the research of various fields. Philosophy. The history of philosophy helps in understanding the origin of various ideologies, the intellectual traditions giving rise to those ideologies and their historical development. Science. The history of science helps in understanding the chronological order of scientific discoveries, invention and theories. Need is the mother of invention. Scientific discoveries, inventions are often the effects of human efforts to fulfill a need and also curiosity. Knowledge of history of science helps in understanding the factors that facilitated a scientific discoveries, invention and also its chronology. Technology. The history of technology helps us in understanding the changes and their causes in the field of agricultural production, commodity production, architecture, engineering, etc. Scientific discoveries, inventions and technological advancement are mutually dependent on each other. It is necessary to know the history of technology in order to understand the development of mechanization and the mutual dependence between science and technology. Industry and commerce. The nature of the market and commerce has continued to change. The nature of human relationship and the social organization also has continued to change. To understand this development, it is necessary to understand the history of culture, social organization and economic institutions. Management studies. In order to understand various factors involved in the chain of production such as means of production, human resources and process of production as well as the chain of market and sales management etc., it is essential to have a knowledge of similar functional systems of the past. It is essential to understand the psychological character of people working at various levels in the chain of productions and marketing for healthy management. Knowledge of history in this regard makes the management at various levels easier. Arts. It is important to understand the development of various arts forms with the help of their style of expression and their foundation in the form of intellectual, emotional, cultural traditions. The key to the expression in any art form, emotional temperament of the artist and the developmental history of the respective art form can be understood with the help of cultural history. Humanities. Humanities. Humanities includes disciplines like history, archaeology, sociology, anthropology, political science, economics, etc. All disciplines are supposed to have their origin in philosophy. Ancient people all over the world tried to speculate in order to understand the relationship between the universe and human existence. It gave rise to various mythological stories about the origin of this world, the universal order, human life, gods and goddesses, ritual and their philosophical explanation. Roots of philosophical ponderings are to be found in these mythological stories. Various disciplines under the humanities have theoretical foundations based on philosophical theories. Only historical knowledge can help us in understanding these developmental stages. The visible and invisible relics of the past exist in the present. Applied history is concerned with the preservation and conservation of our heritage and makes it accessible to people. Applied history can be described as understanding of our present with the help of history and finding right direction for the benefit of our future. Thank you.